Hello students, now let us try to discuss the BSEPR theory from the Narayana NEET book students. Okay, so what is meaning of BSEPR theory? That is valence cell electron pair and repulsion theory. Okay, so V for valence, S for cell, E for electron, P for pair, R for repulsion theory. So that is how can we write student valence cell, okay, cell electron pair, okay, repulsion theory. So what is this theory is all about student? Let us read out the slides. It was originally proposed by Sidgwick and Powell. Later it was further developed by Nylon and Gillespie. According to VSEPR theory, the shape of molecule depends on the number of electron pairs in the valence shell, bonded or non-bonded of the central atom. Means shape of the molecule is depending on the bonded and non-bonded electrons. Okay. Now let us see student, if the central atom is surrounded by only bond pair, the bond pair of the electrons, the molecule has a regular shape. So means what they are saying is student, only bond pair is there. Okay, only bond pair is there. So only bond pair. Okay, only BP bond pair. So that shape will be what student, that is regular shape, right? Next, what is, in addition to bond pair, if the central atom has one or more lone pair, the molecule has irregular shape. Okay, it means if the BP bond pair BP and LP present, then the molecule have irregular shape. It should be having irregular shape. Now next point, pairs of electron in the valence shell repel one another since their electron clouds are negatively charged. So means what is that is repulsion will be there. Repulsion between electron pair. Okay student, repulsion between electron pair. So till now what we learned about the VSEPR theory is student, VSEPR theory, okay, VSEPR theory, that is given by extended by this, all are the not that one, but you can write that is proposed. If you talk about proposed by, that is Sidgwick. Okay, Sidgwick, no, Sidgwick, and that is extended by, if you are extended by, that is Nylon and Gillespie, you know, Gillespie. Now what are they are saying, only no, that is shape is depending on what student, shape is depending on what, shape is depending on what student, that is depending on LP and lone pair and bond pair. Only bond pair present, only BP, so that is a regular shape, regular shape. And what another point what they are saying, if BP and LP both present, if what they are saying, BP and LP both present, both are there, so that is what is the shape will be what student, irregular. So this point you have to keep in mind student while studying. Now let us learn out the next point student. These pairs of electrons tend to occupy such position in space that minimize the repulsion and then maximize the separation between them. So how the electron pair will keep themselves student, so that there should not be any, minimize the minimize the repulsion, means they will try to keep themselves far away from each other. A lone pair of electron takes up more space around the central atom than a bond pair, because the lone pair is attracted to one nucleus while the bond pair is shared by two nucleus. Okay, so that is what they are saying, the lone pair electron takes up more space around the central atom than the bond pair, because the lone pair electrons attracted by one nucleus and bond pair is two nucleus. That is very easy student. The repulsion between new electron pair on central atom is follows: lone pair lone pair bond pair, and then bond pair last. In VSEPR theory, the number of electron pair in sigma bond, double bond, triple bond, dative bond is counted as only one pair, because all the electron pairs in the same bond are oriented in the same direction. The magnitude of the repulsion between bond pair of electrons is depending on the electronegativity difference between the central atom and other atom. Now let us try to understand the shape student. What they are saying, if only for the only bond pair, if only bond pair present, only bond pair present. So only bond pair present means it is having the regular shape. What, student? It is having the regular shape. So suppose that is AB2, so sp hybridization. So total electron pair 2, number of bonding pair 2, lone pair 0, so that is linear. Example, BeCl2 BeF2 Ce2H2. If you talk about AB3 sp2 3 3 0, so that is trigonal planar, trigonal BCF3 BCl3. AB2E type sp2, so 3 electron pairs, okay, 2 bonding 1 lone pair, so that is trigonal planar shape, bent shape, SO2 and O2, that is SnCl2. Also example, if AB4 is there, that is 4 4 0, that is tetrahedral CH4 NH4 plus CCl4. AB3E type, sp3 hybridization 4 3 1, that is tetrahedral trigonal pyramidal NH3 NF3. AB2E2 type sp3 4 2 2, and that is tetrahedral bent H2O OF2. AB5 sp3D, sp3D 5 5 0, trigonal bipyramidal, that is PCl5 PF5. Next, AB4E type sp3D 541, trigonal bipyramidal seesaw shape SF4. Next one is there, students, Fe3E2 type sp3D 532 and trigonal bipyramidal distribution but T shape CLF3. Now if you talk about the other, where, that is, if you talk about, here is the this one AB2E3 type, so sp3D 523, so that is trigonal bipyramidal linear XEF2 and I3 minus. AB6 type sp3D2 660, octahedral square bipyramidal octahedral SF6. Next, AB5E type sp3D2 651, octahedral square pyramidal and BRF5. Lastly, you see, student, that is AB4E2 type sp3D2 642, octahedral square planar and XEF2. AB7 sp3DD 770, pentagonal bipyramidal IF7. AB6E type sp3DT 76761, pentagonal bipyramidal pentagonal XEF6. AB5E2 sp3D3 752, pentagonal bipyramidal pentagonal planar, so XEF5 minus is the example. What is the last slide? Shape of the molecule containing bond pair and lone pair. So shape of the SF4, so that is SF4, they have given A option, B option. So in A, the lone pair present on axial position and then bond pair 90 degree. In B, the lone pair is the equatorial position and there are two lone pair bond pair repulsion. Hence arrangement is B is more stable than the shape shown in B, described as distorted tetrahedral H folded square seesaw. So that is what they are saying, student, that is here is the 90 degree are there. So this shape will be the more stable compared to here they are the not 90 degree. So correct option will be option number B. You can read out, students, you will be able to understand the after tomorrow's lectures. Thank you so much for watching, friends.